You guys, it's finally time to do the mill map. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The screen recording stopped randomly because of the storage. So I did play the mill a little bit. So here I am. Basically, I'll just do a really quick run through with you. This is going to be the only episode of the mill because I found it pretty boring. But basically, there's this chicken. See him? He's very kind. Let's figure out that he's super mean. Stop it. Knock over. Okay, we knocked him over. And, here we go. We can fly with him super easily. It's like super easy to fly with him. But the problem is I can't get onto him. Oh my gosh, let me fly with the bird. Bird's the word. Bird. A bird's the word. Okay, here. Oh my gosh, I can't fly with him. It's making me so mad. And anyways, this bird will eventually wake up and he'll chase you. That's what we got. And he'll chase you. So that's gonna actually scare the crap out of me. So I'm very upset. But here, what we're gonna try and do is we're going to explore. What I did was I got up here. The cow. You cannot hit the cow over, sadly. Because he's very stubborn. Right, isn't that right, Mr. Cowlton? I'll take that as a yes. But also what I did, it was like a 4-minute long video. It only saved like 4 minutes, so I just thought maybe I'll just redo this. But I climbed to the very top of the windmill, and it was super hard to get up there, so we'll try and do that again. Okay, at least I know what I'm doing. But I'm very sad I don't get to experience it with you guys anymore. Because this video is your first experience video. Please. Okay? Please. Oh my gosh. We're almost up. We did it. We did it! Okay, all the way up here. Wait, I didn't even notice that. Why is there a chicken stuck in the windmill? And what is this? Eat this. No. Don't make me fall. Wait, I want to get that chicken unlatched. But anyways, all there was up here was just a switch. And we had a glass bottle. Which I didn't find useful at all. No. I'm very upset. I fell off the windmill. Wait, what's this? I haven't seen this yet. You hush. Okay, so what I was trying to do basically when it stopped recording, I'm glad I noticed this so I didn't get a first peek. But basically we're going to use the trick that we used in the other video. If you didn't watch the other video, the butcher shop, we can glitch into this house. And that's exactly what we're doing. What's in here? Can I slice the bread? Oh wait, is this from the butcher shop? I'm so confused. What is in this house? What is in this house, guys? I don't understand. I still don't quite understand what's in this house. Hold on, let's climb the chimney. Maybe we'll get some more information there. No, there's nothing up here. Completely pointless glitching into this house. Okay, let's glitch out of the house again. Step all the way back in your actual. Now go. Walk forward. Unpause. Here we go. Is there anything else that we can like glitch into that like we shouldn't have yet? Fertilizer seed. Stop. Work. Repair. Okay. falling over, guys. He's not falling over. He's refusing to obey my commands. Yay! He fell over. Okay, chicken. We're going to climb the fence. This is very, out of the ordinary, but we're going to climb the fence. I did that in the video that I just made. I flew with the chicken, and we flew over the fence. Gosh, chicken, you're so stubborn. Chicken, stop being stubborn and let me. Oh shoot. Hey! What are you talking about? Okay, never mind. Okay. But yeah, basically this is the there's not really much to do in this episode, so I'm gonna have to end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed the I Am Cat series, and I will keep doing this if this video gets we'll say 400 views. We're gonna shoot for 400 views coming soon. 400 views, and I'll play more of this map, and we might do a challenge. So I'll see you guys next time for the next series.